Do people look confused whenever you try to explain a complex concept to them? In this video, I'll show you a simple technique that will help you explain almost any idea to anyone so they not only understand it, but also remember it and can even explain it to someone else. I'm going to explain this framework using a practical example. We'll take a concept that many people find difficult to explain: encryption. Most experts start with something like this. Encryption is a cryptographic process using a symmetric or asymmetric key algorithm to encode plain text into ciphertext, preventing unauthorized access. This is technically correct, but it is not very helpful. If your audience is hearing these terms for the first time, they're trying to learn new words, new relationships, and a completely new idea all at once. Now, that's a heavy mental load. Instead, let's start somewhere your audience already understands. You start your explanation like this. Let's say Sam wants to send a personal message to his fiancée Alex. He writes a message on the postcard and drops it into the mail. And the mail eventually reaches Alex and she gets the message. But just think about what might have happened in the time between Sam sending this message and Alex receiving this message. Along the way, the mail carrier sees it, someone sorting the mail can read it, and anyone who gets hold of the postcard can read the message. In the open, everyone can see and read the message. So you set the context with this simple scenario. Your audience doesn't need any further explanation. They already understand the situation because they have seen something like this before. Now let's solve this problem. This time, Sam decides to do something different. Instead of sending the message by an open postcard, he writes his message and places it inside a locked box. Now, the same box passes through the same people. The mail carrier still carries it. Other people can still handle it, but nobody can read the message. Only the receiver who has the key can open the box. When the message is locked, only the receiver with the key can read it. Suddenly, the entire idea becomes obvious. Without using a single technical term, your audience already understands the purpose of encryption. And now comes the interesting part. We simply connect the familiar story to the technical concept. The letter represents your data. The locked box represents encryption. The key represents the encryption key. The people carrying the box represent the internet. And the receiver is the only person who can read the original message. Now notice what happened. I didn't start by teaching encryption. I started by teaching something the audience already understood. Then I used that understanding as a bridge to the new idea. This is one of the most effective teaching techniques you can learn. When people struggle to understand your explanation, the problem often is not that the idea is too complicated. It is just that you started where you are instead of where your audience is. Now, to bridge the gap, your audience needs a familiar starting point. Once they have that, the technical explanation becomes much easier to understand. This is what I call the bridge method. Whenever you are explaining something new, ask yourself 5 questions. First, what does my audience already understand? 2, can I start with that familiar idea? Because as humans, we understand new information by bridging it with what we already know. Then you ask yourself, how does that familiar idea map to my concept? And only now you ask, what technical terms should I introduce? And finally, where does the analogy stop working? When you explain your complex concept by being aware of these 5 questions, you teach the way your audience naturally learns. Now, how do we break down a complex concept easily? That is where AI comes to rescue. Inside our presentation process AI Club, we have a tool called Concept Simplifier. You just take any paragraph, anything complex that you want to explain easily to your audience, and then paste it here. You select your audience. In this case, I'm going to say it is a non-expert audience. And what do you want them to do after? I just want them to understand. So simply understand it. And right now, their awareness level is just 2. And then I click on Simplify this. That's all. You get a one-liner that tells you what your core claim is. You get a simple analogy to explain your idea. Then you get this jargon buster table where each of the technical terms gets a plain swap with a clear reason why the swap works. And instead of explaining the idea in a complex way, you can use a simpler method like this. Now, here is the thing. All these outputs change according to the level of awareness of your audience. If the audience awareness levels is say around 4 or 5, you will see that this language will be a little more complex, including a few more jargon, so you connect with the audience at the place where they are. Then you get the concept explained in plain language. You also get some very interesting pieces of information like what is the possible misconception your audience will have regarding this concept? What is the likely objection you might have when you try to explain this complex concept, and what should be your ideal response? And even a diagnostic question that lets you ask your audience so you know whether they understand the information the right way or not. For example, in this case, the question is, if I send you an encrypted message and someone intercepts it, what do they see? A good response is they see scrambled, unreadable data. A weak response is they see nothing or the message is blocked, which signals the person still thinks encryption hides the existence of data rather than just making it unreadable. And then you get this card for presenting that information. There's something called say it out loud. That is, how do you say the information in a way that the audience can easily relate to it? And if you were to build a slide for this concept, then what should be your slide title? What should be the slide content? What is the visual suggestion? And even speaker notes complete with hook, core explanation, and transition. This concept simplifier is a tool that is essential for anyone who explains for a living. And it is just one of the 16 tools inside Presentation Process AI Club. I will leave a link to the product in the description box below the video. You check out more details about the AI Club and see if it is the right fit for you. I'll see you in the next video.